Light is complicated. It's very difficult sometimes to make it look like the image that you want to create. My name's Jason Buff. I'm a fine art and editorial photographer based out of Yucatan. We've created this series of courses to take you behind the scenes and see how I shape light, whether it's hard light or soft light, and create a bunch of different looks in the studio. We start with the basics of mastering the nuances of single light and how different methods of lighting can dramatically change the final image. Moving on, we'll explore the power of strobe lighting, replicating the effects of our first session and blending it with constant light to bring a unique depth to our work. We'll dive into the intricacies of parabolic and umbrella lighting, discovering how to best angle and modify the light. We'll push the boundaries of conventional portraiture, experimenting with hard light, ambient light, and even colored light to create dramatic and interesting portraits. In our final sessions, we'll bring it all together with advanced techniques, combining strip lights, umbrellas, and gels to create unique effects that will make your work stand out. I'm going to share everything that I do in post, including my presets. I'm going to give you raw files. I'll give you assignments and things that you can use to actually start creating images on your own. Whether you're a seasoned professional or you're just getting started with photography, this is going to have a little bit of something for everybody. It's time to stop being intimidated by light and start taming light and having fun with it in the studio and creating images that you can be proud of.